All right, so now candlesticks. Candlesticks is a way to show price history for a period of time. That's the way it works. Candlesticks is made up of a body, that's the fat part, and a wick, which is the stem, the thin part. Okay, so the wick and the body, that's the candlestick. The wick represents the low and the high of a price. The body represents the open and the close. All right, again, the high and the low, the open and the close. That's what it shows. Each candlestick also is measured by a period of time. So if you remember the chart, I'll show you that again. This was a day chart, right? So each candlestick represents a day of history. This could be an hour chart, and each candlestick will represent an hour of history. So the way it works is this one candlestick, because it represents the day, it means that at the bottom, it was the lowest price that currency pair got within that day. Whereas the top would be the highest price that currency pair got to in that day. Likewise, you have the open and the close, right? So what price was the currency pair when the market opened? Likewise, what was the price when it closed? Now, the difference in the color is simply this. Did it close at a higher price than it opened, or did it close at a lower price than it opened? That's the only difference. They call that a bullish candlestick or bearish candlestick. They selected bullish because a bull attacks from the bottom up, which means it started low, ended high. A bear attacks from the top down, so it started high and came down. So as you can see here, each candlestick shows you will have to have a crosshair that correlates to the bottom, will reflect a specific price. Likewise, the top of the candlestick, a specific price, and then the body. So as you can see, sometimes there's no wicks. That just simply means that because this one's green is representing the bullish one, the price opened right here, did not go any lower than the opening price, but it went all the way as high as this price and came back down and closed at this level. The next candlestick, because it's red, I know that it opened higher than it closed, so it decreased in value. Tells me that it opened up at this top of the body. At any period during that day, it could have went as high as there and as low as this bottom of the wick, and then closed at the bottom of the body. Okay, so in short, candlestick simply shows price history for a period of time. That period of time needs to be represented on the chart, and it just simply tells you how high and low the price went, what was the open and the closing price for that period of time. So collectively, multiple candlesticks, they will give you a chart. Okay, they paint a chart picture. So basically, this gives you an idea what prices went. So a chart can only show price history, right? You can add indicators, you can do a lot more to it, but the bare bone basic is chart shows price history via the candlestick. Okay.